Howdy, I'm Gary, Dillon Precision's Human Manual. I'm here to discuss tech tips for the Super 1050 Dillon's high-speed progressive reloader. Periodically, about every 10 to 20,000 cycles, the primer cam arm assembly on the machine needs a little bit of lubrication. Additionally, it can get out of adjustment. If it gets too dry, this block will get pushed up by the bolt, and then you'll have to readjust it. For purposes of clarity, I'm going to take the handle off so y'all can see everything. Okay. To adjust the correct height on this, first loosen this bracket. Now, slide this up out of the way. With your finger, pull the primer slide so it's in under the shell plate. You need to pull the handle down. Now, adjust the cam arm so it goes behind the bronze roller and in front of the back of the primer slide. Run it all the way down until it stops. Lift it up about the thickness of a business card, about 10 thousandths, just because you don't want the bottom of this arm to drag in the primer slide track, because you'll eventually cause a burr. Make sure that the block is straight, not tipped. Re-snug it. Verify it works by working the machine handle a few times. The points of lubrication on the cam arm assembly are the clevis pin, this channel, and this cotter key that goes through the two springs. To lubricate the clevis pin, pull off the hair clip. That takes the pressure off so you can slide this pin out. You don't need to pull it out completely. If you pull it out about halfway, smear some grease on the bearing surface of the clevis pin, push it back in. Now there is a bowed washer putting pressure on it, so before you can put the hair clip back in, you have to push that in to expose the hole. Once the clevis pin's back in, again, just smear some grease through the springs onto the cotter key and grease the bearing surfaces in this raceway for the ratchet bolt to go through. That's all it takes.